Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best 4K foldable drone on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the product shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. DRONEEYE F3 4K Foldable Drone. DRONEEYE F3 4K Foldable Drone is a super drone for adults, which is foldable and portable. This drone features with 4K resolution and 5G FPV system, let you see the stunning world in a different perspective. It also has gravity control mode and other function, which makes it more flexible and easier to control. For that reason, it is an ideal choice as a gift or toy for adults. The F3 is a brand new drone with a surprising number of features and a build quality that is far above its price tag. This foldable 4K drone with a 4K camera is a 5G FPV drone that features an advanced 4G remote control with a high-performance gaming drone attitude and look. It is a modern compact foldable quadcopter that is a great choice for the beginner that is looking for a high-tech but affordable drone. Batteries to double your flying time. It is so easy to use, all you have to do is turn it on, then push the button to take off. The intelligent flight system and headless mode makes flying a breeze, even for beginners. It features innovative technologies to ensure a smooth and safe flight every time. Number 4. JEAOUSM 4K Foldable Drone. The JEAOUSM 4K drone is ready to fly and suitable for beginner pilots. It has fast reactions, easy to fly, and it is easy to charge the battery on the go. With 4K camera, the pictures are clear and colorful, the video recordings are smooth, and the photos can be edited easily. With an altitude hold function, the drone can hover at a fixed point or follow a certain altitude, which makes it easier for a beginner to control. The one-key return function enables the drone to fly back to the user. The 360-degree 3D aversion function is a fun and useful function for a beginner to practice. A wonderful gift for friends and family. This drone was built with the highest quality of materials to ensure durability, safety and performance. If you want to capture the beautiful scenery around you, then this drone is perfect for you. This drone is compact, versatile and powerful. It has a 4K camera to take professional aerial photos and videos. It is a drone that can be easily carried in your backpack so that you can take it with you everywhere. It has a VR headset for the most amazing experience. It has a remote control that you can take with you so that you can control the drone from a distance, and it has a lot of other amazing features. Number 3. Ruko F11 4K Foldable Drone. The Ruko F11 foldable GPS drone folds up to fit in your pocket. Amazingly compact and very lightweight for easy flying and handling. Ruko F11 GPS drone is one of the top drones for sale for a reason. It is a great flying drone at a fantastic price. A lot of competitors are trying to copy the success of this model, and many of them do not deliver a product as good, which is why this is still the best-selling drone in its category. The Ruko F11 4K quadcopter drone gets you high-definition aerial images, and the gimbal camera will capture the best moments with your drone. The camera is mounted on the drone so that it captures images and videos as if you were looking out of the drone's eyes. Easily adjust the camera angle to capture any photo or video you want. The built-in GPS system on this drone allows you to easily track your drone and makes it easier to fly and control. The drone features a 2-in-1 design that allows it to be easily folded for storage and travel. The 2.4-inch screen provides a clear FPV transmission, and the DVR recording feature gives you the ability to capture and savor the exciting moment. Number 2. DJI Mini 2 4K Foldable Drone. The DJI Mini 2 4K Foldable Drone is a palm-sized drone made by DJI, a leading drone manufacturer and the world's leader in drone technology. It's folded in half ready to fly, and its camera is mounted flat against the drone's body to make it more aerodynamic. It also features a top speed of up to 51 miles per hour and a flight time of just over 21 minutes with a 16-minute quick charge option. It weighs in at 430 grams, which is significantly smaller than its bigger cousins, the DJI Mavic Pro and the DJI Osmo Pocket. The DJI Mavic Air is a powerful portable drone with a 4K camera that folds down to the size of a water bottle. Its compact size and incredible 3-axis mechanical gimbal that stabilizes the camera make the DJI Mavic Air an advanced flying camera for everyone. The drone features a clear controller monitor that is connected via a USB wire to a mobile device, ensuring accurate visual positioning even during long-distance flights. The drone has a range of up to 4.3 miles and features a new camera that is capable of capturing high-definition images and video that is smooth and shake-free. Number 1. Holystone HS720 4K Foldable Drone. Holystone HS720 RC drone is an easy-to-fly drone with a lot of great features. It includes a 720p HD camera that can take pictures and record video. The HS720 foldable drone allows you to take pictures while you fly and even has a function that allows you to take a picture automatically every 3 seconds. You can take video with the HS720 drone too. It has a 4GB memory card pre-installed so you can start taking pictures and video after you have unpacked the drone. The drone can fly for about 15 minutes on a single charge. The HS720 drone is small and lightweight so that you can take it with you wherever you go. The drone also has a built-in GPS, so it will return to you automatically if it ever loses signal. The drone can fly up to a maximum distance of about 300 meters away from you. The HS720 RC drone is perfect for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. The drone is equipped with a brushless motor that produces plenty of thrust, so it can stay in the air for much longer than comparable models. The HS720 drone can fly up to 25 minutes on a single charge. It also has a feature that lets you track its location so you can find it quickly after a flight. This is a terrific drone to have if you're looking for something that's dependable and packed with features. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.